Hi, good morning, class 6. How are you, children? Hope you are good. This is page number 68 and chapter number 60. The first in India. There are certain questions here. We have to answer who are these people who were first in India in these categories. Okay. So let us go one by one and understand what the page says. The first woman to win an Asiad gold. Now, the first woman to win an Asiad gold was in 1970, right? This was in Bangkok and this was Kamaljeet Sandhu. Okay, you have the name here, Kamaljeet Sandhu. Okay, so you can write here the name Kamaljeet Sandhu. Number 2, the first woman to go in space. Now, basically, woman to go in space, she doesn't live in India. She is of Indian origin. She was born in Karnal. She is none other than Kalpana Chawla, who went to space in 1997 with the Columbia Space Shuttle. So she is Columbia participant of that crew, and she is the first Indian to go into space. Okay. This is the first woman Shehnai player in India. This is some Bageshwari Kamar, who is the first woman Shehnai player. Now, the first Prime Minister to be assassinated in India. Now, we've had Prime Ministers, but the one who was assassinated was none other than Mrs. Indira Gandhi. You can see the picture here. She was assassinated on 31st October 1984 at her own official residence, that is 10 Janpath in New Delhi. Right? You can write the name Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Assassinated का मतलब मार दिया गया. उनके बाद उनके ही बेटे, that is Rajiv Gandhi, the eldest son of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, was again assassinated in 1991 when he was out for canvassing and campaigning for elections in South India. Okay, but the first Prime Minister to be assassinated was Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Prime Minister to die in harness, basically Prime Minister who was in tenure at that time. He was none other than Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India from 1947 to 1964. He died on 27th May 1964. President of the Indian National Congress, Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. INC जो है Indian National Congress 1885 में बन गया था और उसके जो first president थे वो WC Banerjee. The first one to get Oscar winner. Now, the recent name, Oscar, अगर आपने न्यूज़पेपर्स थोड़े दिन में पढ़े हों, भानु अथैया. She died at the age of 1991, and long back she was the one who did the dresses for the movie Gandhi, which was directed by a Russian person, Richard Attenborough. So Bhanu Athaiya was the recipient of the Oscar award for the costume designing in the movie Gandhi. Okay, so you can write the name Bhanu Athaiya. The musician to get Padma Bhushan. Now, Padma Bhushan, this is an honor. This is Indian Carnatic singer. Carnatic is the style of singing of South India. She's M.S. Subbalakshmi. She was even the first musician to get the Bharat Ratna, but she received the Padma Bhushan also. Man to climb Mount Everest without oxygen. The oxygen to tha, supplementary oxygen nahi tha. This was a Sherpa, Phu Dorji. In 1984, he climbed Mount Everest without supplementary oxygen. He died later in 1987. Phoenix Award winner, this was the Indian magician P.C. Sarkar, very popular all over the world and in India. The Phoenix spelling, I suppose, children, this is wrong here. You can check the spelling of Phoenix, Phoenix. This is the spelling. Yes, that's the spelling correction should be there. दादा साहिब फाल्के अवार्ड इंडिया में बॉलीवुड से दिया जाता है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से उस पर्सन को जिसने फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को बहुत सालों तक बहुत कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया हो. एवरी ईयर वन पर्सन इज चोजन. द लेटेस्ट वाज नन अदर देन मिस्टर अमिताभ बच्चन. और जो फर्स्ट अवार्ड दिया गया था वो वो दिया गया था द एक्ट्रेस देविका रानी. ओके, फर्स्ट ब्रिटिश गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ फ्री इंडिया. हम लोग फ्री तो हो गए थे, पर एक गवर्नर जनरल का पोस्ट उस टाइम होता था जो अभी नहीं है. तो उस समय जो ब्रिटिश गवर्नर जनरल थे वो लॉर्ड माउंट बैटन थे. of Free India, right? And the first Bharat Ratna Award winner, again the Bharat Ratna Award winner was C. Rajagopalachari. ये गवर्नर जनरल बने, इंडियन गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ फ्री इंडिया. वो ब्रिटिश नहीं थे, ही वॉज ऑफ इंडियन ऑरिजिन. ही लेटर बिकेम गवर्नर जनरल आफ्टर लॉर्ड माउंटबैटन, बट he was later also the recipient of Bharat Ratna Award winner and the first recipient, Indian recipient of this award, prestigious honor. And the last but not the least, actress to win Padma Shri Award. ये अपन जो कर रहे हैं इस पेज पे फर्स्ट इन इंडिया कर रहे हैं, मतलब सबसे पहले ये जो भी कुछ हुआ या अवार्ड्स मिले ये पहले किसको मिला. सो पद्म श्री अगेन इज एन ऑनर गिवन टू पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट ऑरिजिन हु एक्सेल इन डिफरेंट फील्ड्स. So Padma Shri was given to none other than Nargis Dutt. She is the mother of Sanjay Dutt. Sanjay Dutt को आप सब जानते हो. And Nargis Dutt was again a very very talented actress of Bollywood. She was the wife of Sunil Dutt, who was again a very versatile actor. So Sunil Dutt and Nargis Dutt जो Sanjay Dutt के parents हैं वो अभी दोनों नहीं हैं. Both are dead. And the first Padma Shri Award actress to receive the Padma Shri Award was Nargis Dutt, right? So I think I have done the page with you. You can write the names here in the blanks. I have made you understand what is what, given you more details on each of them. Okay, you must learn this page for exam purpose also, children. Okay, till then, bye bye, see you.